Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable dual factor authentication for login into your LinkedIn account. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, dual factor authentication, or you can say multi-factor authentication, is very important, and it's a major security step considering the way accounts are getting hacked nowadays. So just old style ID password not sufficient. You need much more than that. And something that is dynamic so that there is no static way of storing it. So for making this video, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you the series of screenshots rather than live video in order to protect my privacy. So how you're gonna do it? Log into your LinkedIn profile. On your profile icon, if you click on my profile, you come to this page. Here you see under settings, you have account preference and sign in and security. So you will go to sign in and security. Okay. Here at the end, you see two-factor authentication, which is off here. So you need to click on that. And then next you have to click on setup. So either you can use an Authenticator app, which I recommend, but just to show you, I'm choosing SMS. So next screen, put your phone number, password. System will send you an SMS, a code, 6-digit code that you need to put in order, and then it will be done. So it's a very good security step, and this I highly recommend to follow. So let me know guys what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.